If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. When you make a selection and then move or copy it, you often come away with what is referred to as fringe. Fringe is the collection of background pixels that surround your selection. When you use the defringe command, the color of these extraneous pixels is changed to the color of neighboring pixels that aren't part of the background color. To use this command, select Enhance, Adjust Color, Defringe Layer from the menu bar. Then enter a value for the number of pixels that need to be converted. Start with a small number like 1 or 2 and check your results. When you are done, click the OK button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.